I achieved this beautiful platinum blonde pixie at home using blonde solutions. This is with 1 round of bleach. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step all the products that I used and what to do in order to achieve this at home. So this is how my hair was looking. This is about 1 month of new growth. I originally bleached it using blonde solutions for the first time, and this is how it's looking at almost 1 month old. I always start off by, combing my hair out. I like to go in with like a fine pick and just gently brush it out. Recently, I've been adding oil to my hair. I'm going in with some jojoba oil. I hope I said that right. And I saturated my hair and my scalp. My scalp was pretty dry and I was scratching it here and there, so I wanted to make sure my hair was moisturized and protected. Right after that, I went in with some petroleum jelly, and I use generous amounts. I put it all over my forehead, my ears, the back of my neck to make sure everything is protected when I bleach. Then I go in with the keratin green tea restructurizer spray by Apogee, and I just spray that all around. This is the Blonde Solutions bleaching powder. And then I did it also with a 20 volume developer. So with Blonde Solutions, if you don't know, it is not easy to order products from their website. You need to check their website every single day until you see whatever you need in stock. I was stalking their website every day for weeks, and one day magically I logged in and I saw that they had everything in stock, which was so like random. But nonetheless, I ordered everything, and I used 1 scoop of bleaching powder, and then I just added the developer to my liking. This is a little bit more on the thicker side. Sometimes I leave it a little bit more runny, but I wanted to try doing it a little thicker, and 1 scoop lasts me. I was a little concerned because the last time I bleached my hair was a little shorter. So there was more product for less hair, but I was like, let me see with me having more hair on my head if 1 scoop will still suffice, and it did. Now, the reason why I sped this process up is because I wanted to show you guys realistically the time that it's sped up, but show you that it does take some time to apply the product on nicely all around your head. I just start from the back always and use back and forth strokes to make sure that each hair follicle is saturated. And once I get pretty high up in the back, then I turn around and I put it all in the front. Make sure you also have a handheld mirror, because that's going to be your best friend, especially when you're trying to style your hair from the back and put bleach and all of that. So I just go in, and I even had like a little extra at the end, and I just use that bleach to smooth over everything on my head. This did not burn at all. This is my second time using these products, and when I tell you, like I always say, this is what I do. I am not a professional, but what I will say is that out of all the other bleaching powders that I've used, I would always get burned, and this doesn't leave me with anything. I go in with a foil cap. It's on my Amazon storefront. All these products are on my Amazon storefront. Also, on the camera, I put 1.5 hours, which I did leave it on for that amount of time, but then I came in the mirror and I checked it. Now, this let me know that I achieved the platinum. The texture of my hair was finer and everything was looking nice and icy, just like I like it. But I just, after that, I kept it on a little longer, like another 15, almost 20 minutes, because I just wanted to make sure. That's me. But these are the products that I use to wash the bleach out, and this is how it was looking after. This is with no toner. After, I went in with the K18 leave-in molecular hair mask, and I used about 2 scoops, but like 2 pumps. Put that all over, let that sit, and then I go in with Straight Request styling foam. I've been using this since my hair has been cut into a pixie for about a year. It's my favorite one to use. It's moisturizing, and I buy like the salon size one and I just refill it. And you know what? I left the styling on a little longer in the video without speeding up, because I feel like I always speed that product up in my other videos. If you haven't already, I have a ton of bleaching videos on my YouTube channel. You could check those out if you want something a little bit more in depth, or me talking as I'm doing it, not doing a voiceover. But nonetheless, my hair was fine, literally how I like it, and it was so easy to do these finger waves. So I really wanted to show up and close how I do mine. I am not I don't do it perfectly, but when my hair is this texture, it's a lot easier. So this is what I meant about, making sure that you have that handheld mirror. Sometimes you have to move yourself around and adjust it to your liking so you can see fine. It can be a little awkward. Like this was an awkward moment right now, but it makes it a lot easier, and you just want to be patient and take your time. And I just use like wave-like strokes, and it's totally fine. And like I said, it's easier too when the hair is finer. So a lot of people will ask, oh, so wait, do you put like a relaxer in your hair? No. When you bleach your hair, depending on how long you keep it on and the products that you're using and the bleach to developer ratio, it's more so the time for me that will determine more so how fine the hair gets, and that will change the hair texture. So like I think this is the best texture that I've ever gotten using these products. But yeah, it's pretty easy, to the point. After that, I go in with my infamous LB do-rag and I tied it up. I did not sit underneath the dryer. I planned on it, but I started doing other things in my house. Also, when I had the bleach on my head, I didn't sit underneath the dryer. A lot of people say don't do that, but child, anyways, you do what you do what you want to do when you bleach your hair at home. You got to know the risks that come with it, but I'm happy that I took those risks because now it's brought me to the place that I'm at now. And don't be afraid to try new products. I am not sponsored by Blonde Solutions. I would love to work with them in the future because I really do believe in their products. And my hair has not been this texture and this white since I sat down and went to a professional celebrity hairstylist for shortcuts. But nonetheless, that's how I was looking. I'm going in with my Kinks and Coils glosser, and I spray that. I love the smell of it. So my hair is nice and moisturized. I threw on some earrings, and I just get into it. Mind you, I did not cut my hair. This still had old bleach hair on it, and look how beautiful it came out, even down to the roots. I'm telling you, this product is the truth. Every time you guys comment on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and make sure you guys follow me on those if you haven't already. Oh, I can't get these products. It's worth checking their website every day, multiple times a day, if you're somebody that bleaches your hair at home, because I'm not going to waste my time anymore. Like, I used to have to bleach my hair twice. I would have burns on my head. It would be so time consuming. And I'm like, whatever. It was a journey, but this right here, just having to bleach my hair once and it's looking like this. Y'all see, I keep going on and on about it. But I just wish that people would comment all the time and be like, oh, go get it and stuff like that. But it took a long time to get it. But nonetheless, I love their products. I love how my hair is looking. I love the length. I've been wanting to grow my hair out a little bit more, and I was curious to see how it would be without cutting my hair. But this was me all done up, child. I was headed out to a little happy hour. Mama was going out the house. Okay? Make sure when you leave the house, you look like somebody, because you never know who you're going to run into, and do it for yourself. Man, do it for yourself. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all platforms. There goes the QR code right there. Don't be a stranger. If you gotten this far in this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me some feedback in the comments. Let's talk. Let's be friends. Be my friend. But anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you're a ball baddie, and let me know if you're a platinum ball baddie. Yes, you guys got this. Don't be afraid to do stuff at home. Save the coin, okay? Mwah. Love you all. Bye.